Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a great Christmas and a great New Year's. I know I did. I got some cool stuff. I got some lights, another camera, a microphone, action. No, not funny. Okay, well, anyway, let's get started with this look. Today we're going with something a little more simple. You know, I like transition to smooth colors. I always try to practice my blending. So we're doing some red, some orange, and some yellow, and top it off with some red lips because you know it's a new year and it's a new me, boo boo. Anyway, let's get into it. So starting out with this video, my eyebrows are already done and my eyes are already primed with my concealer and the setting powder. Now we're gonna go in with the Juvia's palette, and I like this palette because it's really saturated and their colors are really pigmented. So starting off, we're gonna go with that yellow, and when I apply this yellow, I'm going in a windshield wiping motion, as you guys can see. Throughout the video, I go ahead and slow things down just so you can get a better look because I know my videos are kind of fast. But yes, we're starting out with the yellow, windshield wiping motion, and now that we have our yellow, we're gonna go in with our orange. And when I put the pigment down, I kind of stamp it on first, and then I go ahead and start swiping. That way I get the color and then I can blend as well. Because this Juvia's palette does not have a red, we switched and we went to our Take Me Back to Brazil palette so we can go ahead and get that red color. And we're just going to start applying this one to the lower part of our eyelid. That way we get a nice gradient going. This is starting to look like a Fiesta fire already. So again, here I'm stamping in that red and I'm blending as I go in the windshield wiping motion. That way you don't see hard lines between my yellow, my orange, and my red. What's really going to take this look over the edge is that our colors are highly saturated. That's what I want, which is why I'm spending so much time stamping in each color. But yes, we really want to make sure that each one of our colors pop for this look. Now that we have all of our pigment laid down, we're going in with a new eyeliner. This is the LA Colors liquid eyeliner. This one has a thinner line, so you'll definitely see the difference in between my wings for this look and the wing extensions. Look how crisp that line is. Like, let me go ahead and show you guys again. Yes, honey, yes, that line is super crisp. We're prepping our eyelashes with the Intenseif-Eye mascara. This is my favorite mascara to go to just because it doesn't go on like rocky or crumbly. There you go, that's the word I'm looking for, crumbly. Now I'm going to go ahead with my lashes. This is the Vinci Lashes, the number 43. These are also very full and winged out, and they're made from human hair, which I really like. Now that we have our lashes on, we're going to go ahead and do our waterline with our 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner Pencil by Urban Decay. This is my go-to liquid foundation. This is the LA Girl Warm Caramel Foundation. And I just go ahead and cover my entire face with that and then prep for my highlight after. Now that we have our base foundation down, we're going in with the Jordana liquid foundation, the one that I use specifically for my highlight. So I go ahead and cover my cheeks with that, make sure everything looks really nice and blended, and then I go in with my setting powder. Again, those who are new to the channel, the setting powder is used to go ahead and lock in that highlight color and to give that matte look. Now that we have everything done, we go in with our powder foundation. This is like one of the final touches for the face, and we just go ahead and try to blend everything out. That way everything matches, and we don't have like these little weird colors going on and everything. This is the Fit Me blush by Maybelline. This is their number 55, and I just go ahead and suck in my face, suck in my cheeks. That way I can get a nice contour line for the blush. This is the Deck of Scarlet number 4, and I'm just using that palette for their highlighter because their highlighter isn't super pale like my other ones. Like, it's still kind of pale, but I can like at least blend it out, so that's why I use this one. For some of the final touches, I'm going in with that last color, that red, and I'm just applying it to my under lash line so I can complete my eyeshadow build. For the final part of this look, we're going to go ahead with the lipstick. This is the NYX Full Throttle, and this is their red. I absolutely love this lipstick because it's super strong, super pigmented, and it actually lasts all day. Like, you could drink a whole Slurpee and your lipstick will still be there. So yes, this completes our look. Please let me know what you ladies think in the comments. Would you wear this look? Do you like this look? Go ahead, drop a like, share, subscribe, and when you do, make sure you hit that little bell so you get all of my notifications whenever I drop. That's it for now. I'll see you ladies in the next one.